In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and set up an account on Indeed with ease, whether you're looking for a job or just starting out. Indeed is one of the most popular job search engines, and having an account can give you access to tailored job recommendations, the ability to track your applications, and other useful features. Let's dive in and get you set up. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Indeed website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in Indeed in the search bar, or by simply entering the URL directly if you know it. This will take you to the main landing page where we will begin our journey. Once you're there, you should see the home page, which is quite user-friendly with its search bars prominently visible, allowing you to start job hunting immediately. But before you do that, let's focus on creating your account, which will be essential for a full job searching experience. Next up, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Sign In button. Clicking on this button is the first step in both signing in if you already have an account or creating a new one if you don't. Signing in will also help you set up an account, as you can easily do so by using your existing email, Google, or Facebook account. This not only makes the process quicker, but also quite seamless, as you won't have to remember yet another password. So go ahead and click that Sign In button. Now, if you're creating a new account, simply follow the prompts that guide you through using your chosen method, whether that's your email or associating with your Google or Facebook account. Doing it this way often means fewer forms to fill out, and you can get straight to tailoring your profile to suit the types of jobs you're eager to apply for. Make sure that the email or social accounts you use are active and relevant to your professional life to keep all your job documents in one place. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully navigated to Indeed and set up your account, putting you one step closer to finding that perfect job opportunity. By having an account, you can personalize your job search, get alerts for new listings that match your preferences, and keep track of your job applications in one convenient spot. Remember, a well-maintained profile increases your chances of standing out to employers, so take some time to complete your profile, upload your resume, and start applying. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Happy job hunting, and see you in the next video.